Welcome to the channel. If your vehicle has triggered the P0401 code, which stands for EGR flow insufficient detected, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll explain what this code means, what causes it, and how you can fix it, especially why it shows up more often during cold weather. What is code P0401? The EGR, or exhaust gas recirculation system, is responsible for reducing nitrogen oxide emissions by recirculating a small amount of exhaust gas back into the engine's intake. Code P0401 means the system is not flowing enough exhaust gases as expected. This is detected by the Engine Control Module or ECM, usually through readings from the MAP or EGR temperature sensor. During cold weather, the EGR valve is more prone to sticking because of carbon buildup and temperature-induced stiffness in moving parts. This is why P0401 appears more frequently in winter months. Here are the most common symptoms of a P0401 trouble code. Check engine light illuminated. Poor fuel economy. Rough idle or hesitation when accelerating. Failed emissions test. Engine pinging or knocking, especially under load. Sometimes, your car may still drive relatively normally, but the emission system isn't doing its job. Now let's talk about the common causes. A clogged or carbon-fouled EGR valve. Sticking EGR valve due to cold weather. Faulty EGR solenoid or control valve. Clogged EGR passages in the intake manifold. Vacuum leaks or broken EGR hoses. Faulty sensors, MAP or EGR temp sensor. Cold temperatures make existing buildup even worse, causing the valve to stick closed. Here's how to fix a P0401 code. Remove and inspect the EGR valve, clean it thoroughly with carb cleaner if there's visible carbon. Check the vacuum lines and hoses connected to the EGR system. Use a scan tool to test the function of the EGR solenoid. Clean or replace clogged EGR passages in the intake manifold. In colder climates, consider preventive maintenance to avoid EGR sticking during winter. Sometimes, replacing the EGR valve is the most effective long-term solution. That's our quick guide to fixing the P0401 code. If this helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-understand car diagnostics. Leave your questions in the comments, we're here to help. See you in the next one.